If you think this electric dirt bike looks rough, you're right. It looks real rough. But that's not the worst of it. It doesn't run either, not even an inch. You could just push it and make motorcycle noises if you wanted. But you can't do that either because it has a flat tire. This isn't going to go well. Probably not.
Dude, you're getting modstek.
So folks, what I have here is a Razor MX350 child's electric motorcycle. I've seen it on Faceplace for $40. However, they retail from $300 to $500 depending on where you shop. I figure if I fail at fixing it for my son, the helmet that came with it might be worth $40. I hope. Scrub to the dub, a little soap and Brillo pad sort of thing, helped get a lot of the surface rust off. I guess this thing was left outdoors. And for the plastics, I loosened up the stickers in hot steamy water and used a little 1500 grit sandpaper to get all the goo off. I used sandpaper in the water to scuff up the shiny parts, and when it was dry, I went over it again with some rubbing alcohol. I also cleaned the frame, which could have used a little paint, but my son wanted to hurry up already, so I ended up skipping that part for now. The chain and tension pulley are horrific. Those I will order and replace as well, but for now I cleaned and lubed them with some WD-40. The batteries, well, they were dead, so I just soldered up two 12-volt batteries to equal the necessary 24 volts to run. Boom, had her fixed. Now onto the paint. Can't wait.